Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you are doing well. Do you remember the stories of Thumbelina as written by Hans Christian Andersen? I was 6 when for the first time my mother told me this story before sleep, and since then whenever I look at the walnut shell I remember the Thumbelina because she used to sleep in one of these shells. This handcraft is perfect for parents or teachers who want to tell the Thumbelina's story to their children. After reading the story to them, you can make the Thumbelina and enjoy the moments together. I promise the children never forget this and they will love the idea forever. What we need for making Thumbelina is glue. I'm using wood glue, but you can also use any type of glue that is powerful enough to stick toilet paper together. Walnut shell. Knife. Use a not sharp one. Colored paper. Well, I colored some sticker in green. I didn't use a color paper. White yarns. Bead. Needle. For different sizes of yarns, colorful yarns for hair, skin and dress, toilet paper and scissors. In the beginning, I cut a piece of toilet paper, bend it and round it around itself. Do you remember when you work with clay? Do the same with the toilet paper. We need 2 pom-pom paper, one for head and one for the body. Then the first pom-pom is for the head. So I took a white yarn and started to spin it around the pom-pom. It's quite easy job. Just try to hide every side of paper with the white yarn. Cut the end of your yarn and add a needle to it. Now try to sew the yarn onto the pom-pom. In this case, the yarns around the head would not be open later. So after that, with a different color of yarn, stitch a nose in the middle of the head, then lips. Just remember to hide all the knots and head of the stitch at the back side of Thumbelina's head. With a different color of yarns, I start to add some extra stitches around of hair. I don't pull the stitch hard, so after few stitches, it would look like that she has curly hair. But you can add the hair in your personal technique, just feel free to do it. After finishing the hair, I stick 2 beads instead of eyes. If you don't have bead, it's okay. You can also use the French knot technique for the eyes. Then the head is ready. Let's go to make the body. Just like before with the toilet paper, make a pom-pom and then start spinning a colorful yarn around half of it. Then change the color of yarn for the next part. Add some stitches around feet area and hide all the paper part of the body. Add a great layer of glue on the back side of the doll and fit her inside the walnut shell. Then glue her head to her body very carefully. And if you have any question about cutting a walnut exactly in half, I recommend you to watch this video. So for the leaf beneath her, we can use a colored paper or we can make a unique colored paper with the stickers. I called it double technique. Add some green color to one of the stickers. I also add a bit of silver shade. Then put another sticker on colored one. The colors will be shared between two stickers and the texture will be very beautiful. With a brush, try to cover the empty parts. Let it dry. Bend the sticker in half and draw a shape of a leaf on the back of the half bent sticker. Cut it through the lines and glue the Thumbelina on it. And here is the final result. You can put them on the table or use them as a flower pot decoration. Also, they are a very cute gift for your children. Hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think about my channel. Love you always and see you soon.